Good evening, friend. This is India's first slag sand manufacturing unit by JSW Cement Limited. You can see the sand flowing from the state-of-the-art stand making machinery, Roman technology from Bangalore. Today we have eminent visitors from NCCBM, Joint Director PJ Ojha sir, and along with his team. They have come from Delhi, and along with that we have Dr. Binod Kumar, Senior Principal Scientist, Rigid Pavement Division. So they have come on an industrial visit to see the sand making process at JSW Cement Limited. So I would like to interview today Joint Director NCCBM PJ Ojha sir about his experience of looking at the sand making unit at JSW. PJ Ojha sir, you have come for the first time. I would like to have your opinion. Is the sand quality is good? How it is being made? And you are the man who makes the BIS codes and all. So you should be able to say a few words about the sand making process at JSW. Sir, over to you.
This is a very good innovation and needed innovation for the JSW, by the JSW for the construction industry. Actually, we have a scarcity of sand in our country, and this innovation will provide more amount of options regarding the scarcity of sand. And this sand seems to be apparently doesn't have any clay particle because it's coming from the industrial process. So the particles which can interfere with the hydration of cement during the concrete making, it seems that it will solve the problem. And in the strength development, and because of the braking density and because of the interference of less interference with the hydration of cement, it will provide a very good strength development, which is getting impacted with the sand available in the market, with either crushed sand or even river sand, which is now it is not available in the country. And similar innovations we are expecting in the future with the steel slag. So there are some issues with the steel slag, but the JSW is looking forward with the future innovations, and I hope that industry like JSW will come up with the innovations and will support the construction industry in the growth of the country, because we are a developing country. We need infrastructure at every end and nook and corner of the India. So these innovations and similar innovations we need at each level of our industry, and combined together we can solve the problem.
Sir, actually
very much
yeah, see, according to you now the future belongs to alternative materials, sir.
So definitely, because each industrial process have to be efficient, and for industrial process to be efficient, we should follow the circularity of the material. So there should not be any wastage of the material in the loop. And for circular economy is a buzzword like sustainability nowadays.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So to provide the circularity in the material flow, each and every material at each and every stage, each should be produced as a valuable product, and only then circularity can be achieved. And this is one step ahead towards the circularity of the material flow in this industrial process of iron and steel.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I would like to have a word from your team members also, Brijesh Singh and Abhishek. So what do you feel about this innovation, sir? Yeah. What do you feel about these products?
It's a great innovation, because now India is targeting the sustainable construction. And for the sustainable construction, this kind of innovation and such material will be a game changer. And as rightly said by Ojha Saab, that now we are focusing more on the circular economy. So all such steel making and you can say iron making processes, whatever waste we are generating, we need to convert into waste to wealth kind of thing. So it's a great innovation for us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for visiting our sand making plant. would like to innovate new more products to make the whole world a sustainable economy. Thank you.